Now students, now we going to create the next table is customer. Into the customer table we have these fields. CID means that is a customer ID, customer name, city, and IID, that is a item ID, and this is will be become the foreign key, uh, because this item ID will be derived from the item table and there is a item ID. So if item ID has been inserted there, so then its record will be comes here. Otherwise we are not able to create a new item ID into the customer table. So this item ID is a foreign key. So remember, when you create this table, so you will create this item ID as a foreign key. So now let's create the customer table. So for the creating the customer table, we have to use the command create table. The table name is customer. First field is CID. So that is CID. Its data type is integer, and next is customer name. Its data type we will put where, care, and with size. Assign the size. Next column name is city. Its data type also where, care we can use. Its size is 20. Now the next column name is ID. Clear, and its data type is fully dependent on the parent table. Into the parent table we created the IID with data type care, so we have to also use the care data type, and size should be same. The size is there 4, so that size is also 4. Next, actually we want to create this field as foreign key. This column we will create as a foreign key. So now how we can create that column as a foreign key? So we have to use the keyword what, foreign key. Foreign key, we want to make this column as a foreign key, so we will write there the column name IID. Okay, now references. So we have to use the keyword references. So IID means item ID will be access the record from the item table. So we have to use the reference is item, and which column? The column name is IID. So that IID is a column name. Clear? So now we created that table as a foreign key. Now close this table and press enter. Now that table also created, and if we want to see the structure, so we have to use the DESC command, and the table name is customer, and enter. So you can see here the IID is showing the MUL, means that is a multiple relation, means that record will be comes from the item table. Clear? So first we have to insert these all record into the item table, and then we are able to insert record into the customer table. Okay students, so now into the next step we will insert the record into the item table first, then into the customer.